Okay, everybody, I have a simple question. When you say that you're a woman, you have been protected by the wall, you can sue guys who say to you, you're a guy. No, I define myself like a woman, and you can sue them and get some big cash, eh? But when you say that you're Napoleon and you have half of the world conquered, they put you in the mental hospital. Do you see that right, or do you see that wrong? Because if I say I'm Napoleon, I conquered half of the world, it's mine, or I am Genghis Khan, I have conquered almost all of Asia, I come right back. They will put you in the mental hospital on the pills. But when you're a guy and say I'm a woman, the law, the wall protect you. Do you feel that normal?